Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the drawer accessible and safe. First, clear the desk and slide the drawer out until it stops. You need room to work. Use a flashlight to inspect the slide mechanism and note whether it's a locking lever, screws, or clips. Put on gloves and place screws and small parts into a container so nothing gets lost. Once done, take a photo of the mechanism for reference. This saves time when reassembling later. Now you remove the drawer from its slides by releasing the mechanism. Start on one side. Either depress the plastic tab or lift the metal catch while supporting the drawer with your other hand. If screws secure the slide, unscrew the lower or rear fasteners first. Keep the drawer level as you loosen the second side. Make sure to note which parts belong to left versus right slides because orientation matters when reinstalling. Once both sides are free, slide the drawer straight out and set it on a pad. Finish by lifting the drawer off the remaining rails and checking the slides for damage or dirt. Cleaning with a cloth and lubricant improves motion. Place rails and screws into labeled bags to prevent mix-ups, and test fit after any repair or replacement pieces before full reassembly. If the drawer remains stuck, don't force it. Look for a hidden screw under a cable tray, a strip of wood, or warp slides that bind. Freeing those will.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.